Why do I feel like old Black China? That's cute though. Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Girl, today I'm excited because I'm back with another wig review. It's been a minute. So today's video is going to be an Outre wig review. You guys know I love their hair. It's usually my go-to when it comes to picking a synthetic wig. So today I'm going to show you guys this wig that I got. Let's go ahead and get into it. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And also thumbs this video up if you like these type of reviews. Let go. Okay, so we fresh out the pack. Okay, so just taking her straight out the pack. She is a long one. Anyway, so she is a long, I think she's called China Bang. No, she's called Maleeka with a China Bang. I've never had a China Bang before, so I'm a little excited. Yeah. She's not too shiny, which is good. There are 1, 2, 3 clips, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and then of course they have, in case you have a small head, you can adjust the size that you want the cap to fit snug. Yeah, I feel like I should just go ahead and try this thing on. What y'all think? Let's do it. Why do I feel like old Black China? Old Black China, maybe old Nikki? I know that's front bang. Okay, so what y'all think? I don't know what, I mean, I think I kind of like it a little bit. Let me see. We shedding. I think we shedding. We are shedding just a little bit, which is strange because nothing has been cut. Okay, so let's put that on the side. Hopefully my cat don't eat it. All right, let's talk about it. So I kind of like it. Do I like it? See, I just feel like I'm not used to having bangs. Anyways, though, but it's cute. It's definitely a new look for me. So this wig says that it's an Outre mix, which means it's like a human hair blend. I don't know, when they be saying that be confusing me a lot. It's not blended with human hair, clearly, because not for the price. I think I paid about 20 bucks for this from my local hair store. It is really cute. What I'll do is link below where you can get it. I think it's like Sam's Beauty and Diva Tresses. You guys, this is long, like real long. Let me show you. This is definitely Black China hair. I don't know, this is like to my hips. That's real long. Y'all can tell I'm feeling myself. I pull back, like. Anyways, I like it. I like it. I'm not sure how it feels. Weird feeling stuff on my face, but I like it. And also I feel like it's just really tangly. It's still cute though. It's still cute though. Girl, I'm getting too much shedding on this. Like way too much. That's cute though. Oh, here we go. So Outre Mix is Outre's unique blend of human hair with premium synthetic fibers that mimic and look and feel like human hair. So I guess that's what they're going for here. Apparently this has a salon finish bang cut, and it comes in a wide variety of colors, which I did see. They had like an ombre one, not really feeling that, and then they had like straight other plain colors, but I'm really liking it. I feel like I need to put on a red lip. Anyway, so that's it for this tutorial. I don't know what else to tell y'all. It doesn't say that it's heat safe, so I'm definitely not going to be trying to flat iron it or anything. I will brush it out. It does shed. I do want to let y'all know that. But other than that, this wig is banging. Like, banging. Get it? Why did I say that? Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.